as the actions of the body are governed by the individual spiritual self, so the whole universe is governed by the universal spiritual self. We living beings routinely perform activities that are miraculous from a purely physical point of view because we don't expect inert matter to do these things. For example, we stand up, we run and jump, and we create artificial objects and information. These miracles are the work of the individual spiritual self, but the whole universe is itself an inconceivable miracle. It's a universal miracle compared with our local miracles. The universe is incredibly beautiful, and at the same time, it's awesome. It's full of power and splendor, an amazing detail from the galactic level to the microscopic level. All its different aspects, the different life forms and communities, they all work together, they all communicate and cooperate with each other in a truly amazing and wonderful way. Science and mathematics confirm the miraculous nature of the universe. For example, the physical constants that determine the physical laws are inconceivably fine-tuned. The famous physicist Sir Roger Penrose has calculated that the odds against the universe coming together by chance or without conscious guidance are 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 123 against. In other words, nil. It's actually very simple and easy to understand that this universe is governed by potent intelligence. After all, it takes a great deal of intelligence to understand the very intricate and complex laws that govern the universe. So it must take at least that much intelligence to operate the universe in terms of those intricate and abstract principles and laws. And that intelligence must act universally. Many prominent scientists have affirmed this conclusion. The most logical conclusion possible is this: our worldview exists in our consciousness. The world we view and we who view it exist in universal consciousness. The Vedic wisdom supports this most logical conclusion. Bhagavad Gita, which is the essence of the Vedic wisdom, explains that the Supreme Personality is the source of the material universe and that He guides every aspect of it and every event in it. The Vedic wisdom tradition affirms that the cosmic manifestation begins with sound. And of course, the Big Bang theory echoes this idea. The Vedic wisdom tradition also affirms the modern scientific idea that there are many parallel universes. The highest aspect of the Supreme lives in His own abode in the spiritual world. In order to create and maintain the material universe, He expands Himself in many forms within the material energy. First as the inconceivably gigantic form that's the origin of all the material universes, and then as the superintendent of each individual universe, and then as the overseer and witness within the heart of every living entity. Material science teaches us something about some of the laws that govern gross matter, and Bhakti Yoga helps us to get in touch with the lawmaker. Question arises, how can we get in touch with the lawmaker? Like to know more? Watch the next video.